Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something truly remarkable to share with you: Petra Max Lawn and Turf Drought Armor. It's not just your ordinary lawn fertilizer. It's the best lawn fertilizer that is pet-friendly. And it's here to transform your lawn into a lush, green paradise. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting product reviews and recommendations. Have you ever struggled with maintaining a green lawn, especially during dry seasons or droughts? It can be quite challenging. Not to mention the excessive water usage that can harm the environment. But fear not, because Petra Max has a solution that will change the game. Introducing Petra Max Lawn and Turf Drought Armor. The ultimate lawn care solution that not only keeps your grass hydrated but also helps protect it from drought and stress. It's like giving your lawn a superhero cape. Here's why you need to consider Petra Max Drought Armor for your lawn. First, it's all about water conservation. With Drought Armor, you can significantly reduce the amount of water needed to maintain your turf and plants. It enhances water efficiency, making it the best way to save on water and keep your lawn green, even during dry seasons. Drought Armor is a highly concentrated wetting agent that ensures uniform moisture access at the root zone level. No more dry spots or stressed out grass, even in drought-prone areas. It's like giving your lawn a refreshing drink. Each 32 ounces bottle of Drought Armor covers an impressive 10,000 square feet of your lawn. Just follow the simple instructions to mix and spray, and you'll instantly save time, money, and water while enjoying greener grass. Now, you might wonder who's behind this fantastic product. Petra Max is an American family-owned company based in Carlisle, Pennsylvania, committed to delivering top-quality solutions for your home, lawn, and business. They stand by their products with a 100% satisfaction guarantee and excellent customer service. But that's not all. Drought Armor isn't just about your lawn. It's also about supporting a small business and making environmentally responsible choices for your home. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see what others have to say about Petra Max Lawn and Turf Drought Armor. As you can see, many satisfied customers have experienced the benefits of Drought Armor, from improving soil quality to reducing water usage and maintaining a green lawn. In conclusion, Petra Max Lawn and Turf Drought Armor is not just a lawn fertilizer. It's a game-changer for your lawn care routine. It's pet-friendly, environmentally responsible, and the best solution to combat drought and keep your grass green. If you're ready to transform your lawn and make it the envy of your neighborhood, click the link in the description below to get your own bottle of Petra Max Drought Armor today. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave your comments down below. Until next time, stay green and stay tuned for more fantastic product reviews.